up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Ri Qui.
And I'm Qui.
And on today's video, Qui will be doing a Balenciaga unboxing for you guys.
And if you've seen our 2021 luxury wish list, you know exactly what this is.
Yep.
Woo! Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here is my box. And it comes with this little My Teresa card. I believe it's just a thank you card. We'll pop that open. Ooh, white paper, we like that. So, the gray Balenciaga box. Then we have here just a Balenciaga card. The My Teresa receipt. How many dust bags did they give us? Looks like just one dust bag. It's really, really big though, so that will definitely come in handy. Gray tissue paper. And then the inside. Ooh. My Balenciaga S sneakers, darling. So as you see, it does have your shoe size right on the front of the Balenciaga S sneakers. And then when you turn the sneaker around, it does have Balenciaga right here. It has mesh on the top, a little mesh on the side. As you see, it does have the Balenciaga on the bottom, which I think is really, really nice. On the inside of the shoe, it actually has the Balenciaga on the inside as well. And it also comes with an extra set of the laces in white and black.
Alright, so this is the shoes, you guys. Super cute.
Ooh.
So of course these are Qui's shoes. So I'm just gonna be asking her some questions because I may be getting some myself. So I wanna know the tea. I was looking into the white ones first of all.
She not buying these because she
business.
said they look like both.
Man, Joe business. I was thinking about getting some of these shoes.
No, she ain't.
Sure have been. So Qui, with these shoes, what made you actually purchase these?
You know what? I was all for the dad sneaker trend when it first came out. But I was just like, do I really want to spend that kind of money on
These babies.
both? You know? And yeah, I always liked them from the first moment. It was love at first sight. And then I was just like, you know what? But they're too expensive. So that's why I waited so long to actually get the shoes.
So what you're saying, they were expensive. Where did you actually purchase them and how much did they run you?
I actually ended up purchasing these from My Teresa, and they were originally $9.95 and we was not going, but these actually were on sale for $6.84.
What?
Which is still pricey, but
you still got a deal.
Yeah, it's definitely a deal, a little deal. And did I get, I'm pretty sure I ended up getting eBay too.
Okay, so you guys, we do use Rakuten, which is just a service where you can get cash back when you purchase off their site. So definitely look into Rakuten, you guys. So I do love the fact that you purchased the black. What made you get black other than like the white or some other colors, pink and...
You know I like everything black. Give me black on black on black on black. Black, my black, black. Give me black. So yeah, but I actually ended up getting black because of course these shoes are very expensive. So, you know, I did consider other colors. I considered white, white and black, white, gray, black, and red. So I did consider other colors, but I felt like this was the color that would actually withstand the test of time. You know what I'm saying? These would last longer than the white. I could foresee the white getting dirty. And then the other shoes, because it has so many other colors mixed in, if one of the colors started looking raggedy, the whole shoe gonna look raggedy. So that's why I ended up going for the black.
And you could wear it with multiple outfits too.
Yeah, I wear black all the time, so I'm like, you know, I might as well be wearing black from head to toe, you know?
Yeah. So with these shoes, I know that you did try them on in Miami. So with the comfort, how were they? Were they comfortable? Is it true to size?
Okay, so comfort, I am going to give these a 7 out of 10. And the only reason I'm giving these a 7 is because these are kind of heavy. It's not really bad on the foot. Like, you definitely can't tell they are as heavy as they are in your hand, but they are pretty heavy. So I foresee if you're walking around for like 6, 7, 8 hours, I do think these could kind of be annoying. So I am going to give them a 7. However, I have not worn them out yet, so I really can't say like, okay, like after 8 hours they were killing my feet. But putting them on for the first time, they felt great, so we're gonna give it a 7.
Okay, and as far as the sizing, were they true to size for you?
True to size for me, the answer is yes. I do wear a size 8 pretty much across the board, and these I did get in a size 38, so yes, these are true to size for me.
Okay, I like that, girl.
Do you have any more questions?
Yeah, and for our viewers, if they were thinking about getting this shoe, would you actually recommend this for them to purchase?
You know what? Honestly, this is how I feel about designer sneakers in general. Do I feel like a designer sneaker is a great purchase, like a great investment, like you're going to wear them, you know, for years and years and years? I'm going to have to say no. Specifically because, you know, shoes, people are really hard on their shoes. However, if it's a situation where you're trying to get a pair of Yeezys and someone is trying to sell them to you, what do you call it? Resale. Yeah, ain't it called resale?
Yeah.
Yeah, if somebody's trying to sell you a Yeezy resale for $1,000, why not just get you a pair of Balenciagas or, you know, a pair of Gucci's for way less? So yes, in that case, I would say it's worth it. I would definitely really take my time and figure out which ones that I want. Definitely look at reviews to make sure that your shoe is going to last. And that's why I got this shoe, because it does feel very substantial and it feel like it's great quality. So I did feel comfortable purchasing this shoe. So would I purchase this shoe again? The answer is yes.
Okay.
Yes, I would.
All right, I like that, girl. All right, you guys, so that was the end of our video. So now for the question of the day: would you guys actually purchase these Balenciagas? And if you have these already, what color and do you love them, girl? All right, and don't forget to stay what?
Chiq.
Chiq Squad out.